will join Yuva Aapda Mitra institution as the venue of this program. Through this initiative, our young volunteers are responsible. We are truly grateful to
assist them during the times of emergencies, during the times of national and the disasters. So I warmly welcome you to the training of these Aapda Mitra volunteers under the Yuva Aapda Mitra scheme. So your decision to participate in this program actually shows your commitment towards your commitment to serve the society. So in times of disaster, trained youth like you will become the first line of support between the community and the administration. See, the civil defense, they can't be everywhere, but with trained youths like you, they can contact you whenever there is a disaster. So I hope you take this training seriously, and I hope you and I wish you all the best. And I hope that you will serve your community and society to the fullest. And I hope that by training you can save lives. You can reduce the panic that can happen during disasters, and you can strengthen the disaster preparedness at the grassroots level.